Are you tired of worrying who can see sensitive financial data in Zoho Books? Learn to lock down permissions in under 3 minutes. I'll show you exactly how to navigate the settings, edit roles, and toggle permissions for modules and features. Start by opening Zoho Books in your browser. Then, click the Settings icon in the top right corner. Now, under the Users and Roles section, click on Roles. Select the role you want to edit from the list. Expand the More Permissions section by clicking on it. Click on More Permissions to expand it. Update the required module permissions by checking or unchecking the boxes. Then, adjust the feature permissions as needed. Scroll down to Credit Notes and set its permissions by checking or unchecking the boxes. Do the same for Vendor Payments by adjusting its permissions. If you want to grant full access to all permissions, select the Full Access checkbox. Finally, click Proceed to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully managed user roles and permissions. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.